Good morning, everyone. My name is Christian F. Heverola. This is the continuation of the lesson 1. Nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle is a biogeochemical process through which nitrogen is converted into many forms, consecutively passing from the atmosphere to the soil to organism and back into the atmosphere. So, gikan daw sa atong palibot padulong sa yuta to plants, animals, ug bacteria balik sa atong palibot. It involves several processes such as nitrogen fixation, nitrification, denitrification, decay, and putrefaction. Even though 78.1% of atmospheric gases is nitrogen, it is not in available form, thus must be converted into forms available to plants such as ammonia and nitrate. Hydrologic water cycle. The hydrologic cycle involves the loss of moisture from surfaces through the process of evaporation and from plants through the process of transpiration. As water floats as vapor in the atmosphere, some of it is transported laterally to far distances. Liquid water evaporates into water vapor, condenses to form clouds, and precipitates back to earth in the form of rain and snow. So, samtang ang alisngaw daw sa tubig naglutaw sa hangin kay maabot daw og lagyo-lagyo nga lugar. Hantod mag-form siya og clouds tapos mobalik siya sa yuta pinaagi sa ulan ug snow. Water in different phases moves through the atmosphere. Process involved in the hydrologic cycle. So there are 9 processes involved. 1. Evaporation, turning from liquid into vapor. Number 2. Transpiration, the water movement from the soil to the atmosphere via plants. Number 3. Condensation, water vapor in the air is changed into liquid water. Number 4. Precipitation, liquid water evaporates into water vapor, condenses to form clouds, and precipitates back to earth in the form of rain and snow. Number 5. Runoff, the flow of water occurring on the ground surface when excess rainwater can no longer sufficiently rapidly infiltrate in the soil. Number 6. Infiltration, the physical process involving movement of water through the boundary area where the atmosphere interfaces with the soil. Number 7. Sublimation or sublimation, the conversion between the solid and the gaseous phases of matter with no intermediate liquid stage. Number 8. Percolation, the movement of water through the soil itself. Number 9. Seepage, when water flows from one place to another via small holes or porous material. Physical and biological laws and principles that govern energy transformation in the ecosystem. Energy conservation in the universe. The amount of energy is constant, thus may be transferred from one form to another but never destroyed. Energy transformation and dissipation. In process of transformation, energy is dissipated from the state of order or disorder, from unstable to non-stable, increasing disorder and usability called entropy. Pollution occurs when human activities resulted to higher nutrient concentration than the natural cycle can absorb. Also, when chemicals released cause injury to living things. Eutrophication, overproduction of natural substances causing disruption of normal ecosystem functioning due to the release of large quantities of waste from animal source. Example, humans, livestock, and cattle. Greenhouse effect. Dramatic change in climate towards extreme heating of the atmosphere due to excessive release of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases such as methane from combustions of fossil fuels and deforestation. Poisoning. Death or health consequences to humans and disruption of natural ecosystem functioning due to exposure of toxic levels of chemicals such as lead, asbestos, pesticides, and dioxins from mining and industrial processing and agricultural production. Agroecosystem. An ecosystem that resulted from human intervention in the environment and its component. Thank you.